How to fix TikTok something went wrong problem. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you're facing the problem where it says something went wrong on your TikTok, then in this video I will guide you on how you can fix this. The first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Now, if the internet is weak or unstable, this problem might be occurring. So if you're using your data, switch up with Wi-Fi, and if you're using Wi-Fi, switch it up with data and check if internet is the issue. If your internet is stable and there's no problem with that, then we can head over to the next step. Next, you want to open the TikTok app on your device and head over to your profile. Then tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Once you get here, tap on settings and privacy option. Here you will find different options. Scroll down and here you have the free up space option. You can find this under cache and cellular section. Now here, to free up some space, you want to tap on the clear option for cache. Then tap on clear on this pop-up as well. After that, tap on the clear for downloads and tap on the clear here as well. Once that is done, head back and check if your issue has been fixed. If it is still not fixed, then the next thing you can do is head over to Play Store and then search for TikTok. Now check if an update is available for this application. If it says update here instead of open, you want to tap on that update button and update the application to the latest version. Once the application has been updated, any bugs in the app will be fixed and this problem will also be resolved. However, if there is no update option here, then you can tap on the uninstall option, uninstall the TikTok application and then install it again on your device, and that should fix your issue. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.